Welcome to Edinburgh. We find the hidden garden here in Edinburgh, trying to talk to you a little bit and get away from the crowds, because the city is very crowded and it's also very windy as well, so I don't know if you can hear me. It's not our first time in Edinburgh. We've been here a few years ago, and this time we want to explore the city from outside. Last time we visited the castle and camera obscura only. This time we're gonna explore the streets, and maybe we'll have a tour with the hop-off bus. And in this garden we found some fig as well. Very nice. I didn't know they grow in the UK. I thought it's too cold for them to grow, but it's a nice surprise. What? Oh, we have dill. I think this one is dill, if I'm not wrong. Yes, dill. And this one is a condiment as well, I think, if I'm not wrong. Yes. The queue for the castle. You have to book in advance the ticket. If today, for example, is sold out if you want to buy from here. If you buy online, the prices is lower as well. So near the Edinburgh Castle, you'll find this place, the Witch's Well. It's the place where many witches were executed. This is the well. You can press pause and read. The Scotch whiskey experience. And one more touristic site on this street is Camera Obscura. We don't visit it this time. We visited last time we went here. I'm gonna insert some photos. We found this entrance and into a house. Very beautiful. I love the chandelier. Shop. It's called the Whiskey Trail. And inside
Yep, buses.
Let's see how much it costs this bus to go to this bus.
How much is the ticket?
How much is it? 10 pounds. We're into the bus now. You can use the ticket all day. They gave us even headphones. It's like an audio guide. If you've seen my vlog from York, you saw on the stumbles there's a Christmas shop. Guess what? In Edinburgh is one as well. Open in July. So if you love Christmas and you want to enjoy it in July as well, Edinburgh is the place. This one is the oldest wellhead in Edinburgh. It's near this beautiful house. It's called John Knox House. This is the well, and this beautiful house as well. The cashmere is one of the souvenirs you can buy here in Scotland. Scottish Storytelling Centre. Very old houses. This one is called John Knox House. I don't know if it can be visited. This is Old Moray House, which has a balcony, but I don't see the purpose of it because there's no door to go out of it in it. Lots of souvenir shops, all of them selling cashmere stuff. Souvenirs again. Definitely on miss to buy a souvenir because there are so many shops. We're at Canongate Kirkyard. This city is full of history, so beautiful. You have to visit this place. It's amazing. There are so many souvenir shops here in Edinburgh. I don't know if it's worth it for them, if they make any profits with all this competition that they have. Another one. We have a modern building here in Edinburgh, surprising, not? I think this is the Parliament House. We're gonna go a little bit further to see if I'm right or not. Oh yeah, it says Scottish Parliament. Okay, yeah, this one is Scottish Parliament. Yeah, just across the street with that modern looking building. Look at this place. We have some pots here. And a very beautiful crossing. It looks very old with this wooden ceiling. And a very, very old house here. Very beautiful. I wonder what's with this gate here. We shall see. I think it's the Queen's Gallery or something. Very nice gate. It looks like the Buckingham Gate from London. If you want to visit the Parliament, you can do it as well. And just across the street there's the Queen Gallery, which we filmed already. Believe me, Edinburgh is crowded. Look how many people on the street. I'm trying not to film their faces, but you can understand. I am fascinated by this building. Absolutely impressive. At the Scott Monument. The price is £8 per person if you want to visit inside. In case you didn't know, the Scott Monument is the highest monument to a writer. We are near the Scottish National Gallery, and in case you want to visit, the entrance is free. Unfortunately, we can't visit because it's closed. They are closing 5 o'clock, and it's already half 5. They made this nice flower arrangement for the Queen's Platinum Jubilee. It looks very nice. Can you believe it's made out of plants and flowers? So beautiful. We arrived at the most famous sightseeing here in Edinburgh. I'll show you. If you want to park near the castle, here is the parking where we left the car. It's called NCP parking, and the cost is £4.95 an hour. It's very expensive, but... And this is the castle. We visited last time, so we don't visit. This place is called Grassmarket, and it used to be trading market for goats, cows and other animals a long time ago.